What if the worst moment of your life is actually the best thing that will ever happen to you? What if the day everything falls apart is the day everything finally starts to make sense? Think about it. Every legend, every hero, every person who transformed their life didn't do it from a place of comfort. They did it from the dirt, from the pain, from the moment they thought it was all over. What if rock bottom isn't your ending, but your awakening? What if this moment you're in right now is the moment you are reborn? Rock bottom. Those two words can feel like a death sentence, but the truth, rock bottom is nothing more than a reset button, disguised as hell. See, when everything is going wrong, when every plan falls apart, when every excuse finally dries up, there's only one thing left: the truth. And the truth is powerful. The truth is raw. The truth strips away every distraction and forces you to see what you've been avoiding your entire life. That's why some people only wake up when they hit their lowest point. Every man has two lives, and the second one starts when he realizes he has just one. That realization doesn't come during the easy days. It comes in the dark. Rock bottom is where your fake identity dies. The mask falls. The ego shatters. All of the lies you told yourself about who you are and what you're capable of, gone. It's in that moment you finally decide. Either I stay here and rot, or I get up and rise. And many people don't realize this. But the greatest achievements aren't always the ones that become headlines. They're not always the medals, the trophies, the money, the status. Most of the time, the achievement that means the most is personal. It's overcoming the internal war that's been crushing you for years. It's finally defeating the voices that told you you are not good enough. It's looking in the mirror for the first time and saying, "That's who I am, and I'm not scared anymore." Maybe your greatest achievement isn't becoming a millionaire. Maybe it's making peace with the past that tried to destroy you. Maybe it's fighting a battle that no one sees. Depression, addiction, heartbreak, trauma. These are victories that don't get applause, but damn, they matter. They matter because you matter. Here's the thing that nobody tells you. When you have nothing left to lose, you finally have everything to gain. That's why rock bottom becomes the birthplace of strength, the birthplace of hunger, the birthplace of the version of you that actually fights for something real. Look at the people who inspire the world. None of them became who they are because life was easy. They became great because life broke them. They decided to rebuild stronger. They hit rock bottom so hard the ground cracked, and they climbed out using the pieces as stepping stones. They didn't rise despite the pain. They rose because of it. Maybe right now you feel like you're drowning, like the weight is too heavy, like no matter how hard you try, nothing changes. But what if this moment, right here, is the moment everything shifts? What if this is your chance to stop being the victim of your story and become the author of the comeback? You want to know a secret? The greatest advantage you will ever have is being underestimated. When people stop believing in you. When support disappears. When no one expects you to succeed. That's when you become dangerous. Because now, you're not trying to impress anyone. You're not living for approval. You're building a life that actually means something to you. And the moment you stand up, after everyone counted you out, that is your achievement. The moment you pull yourself out of the darkness and say, "I'm not done," that is your achievement. The moment you decide your story isn't ending here, that is the beginning of everything. You might not see the purpose behind the pain yet, but one day, you'll look back and realize rock bottom was the best thing that ever happened to you. Because it woke you up. It forced you to grow. It showed you that you're stronger than the nightmares that tried to break you. Someone's greatest achievement happens once they've hit rock bottom. Because only then do you finally understand what's truly worth fighting for. Only then do you see the world with a new set of eyes. Only then do you stop existing and start living. So if you're down right now, if you feel like life is crushing you, good. That means it's your time. It's your turn to rise. A version of you that walks back up from this place will be unstoppable, undeniable, unbreakable. Your story isn't over. It's just began. Rock bottom wasn't the end. It was the beginning of the best version of you that you've ever met. But now that you know what rock bottom really means, now you need to know how to escape your upper limit problem. Watch this video to see what your failures actually mean. Thank you for watching.